Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Word with a document open so you can test changes immediately. Once open, click File then Options. This takes you to Global Word Settings. In Options, choose Proofing because Autocorrect lives there. You do this now to avoid toggling between screens later and to ensure your changes apply to the correct profile. Make sure you have editing permissions, otherwise changes won't save. Now that you're in proofing, you're ready to modify autocorrect entries and behavior in the next step. Click Autocorrect Options to open the dialog where entries live. This is where you control replacements and rules. You'll add a new entry by typing the incorrect text in Replace and the correct text in With, then click Add. That teaches Word a shortcut. Once done, edit or delete existing entries to prevent unwanted changes. Also check the tabs for capitalization rules and symbol correction so Word fixes common typos automatically. Make sure the relevant checkboxes are enabled before closing the dialog. Now test your changes by typing the phrases you set up. Watch Autocorrect apply replacements in real time so you confirm behavior. Once satisfied, click OK in all open dialogues to save settings and restart Word if the changes don't appear immediately. If autocorrect still fails, verify your document language and proofing language match the entries and temporarily disable add-ins that may intercept typing. Finally, restore default autocorrect entries only if troubleshooting fails. That resets rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.